Hey guys, so I told everybody else to wish you a good luck before your big race, and we're also excited and supportive of you. But then I realized that my whole life I've been told not to say good luck before a good event, so sorry everybody else.
Good luck, Miss Tori.
Good luck, you guys.
Miss Michaela.
Good luck, girls. Have a blast and enjoy each other.
And then I was like, oh, break a leg. But like, also please do not break a leg. I'm worried for your safety.
Tori and Michaela, you guys must be tired, man. Because you've been running through my mind all day.
Hey guys, just want to wish you so much luck and so much love and let you know that we're going to be with you in mind, body, and spirit.
Hey Tori, hey Michaela, go crush it at Seawheeze, represent D-Wood, run fast. That's my advice. Have fun.
Good luck.
So excited for you guys to go up to Seawheeze and do your thing up there and have a great time. And you guys are the best. We think the world of you.
Go. Hi, ladies. Good luck at Seawheeze. Make us proud.
Michaela and Tori, good luck this weekend at Seawheeze.
Good luck, Tori and Michaela.
Michaela and Tori, I am so proud of you guys. I know that you guys are going to do an amazing job. Just focus on finishing.
Tori and Michaela, have a blast this weekend up at Seawheeze. Can't wait to hear all the stories. Have fun.
Good luck, you two. I wish I was there with you. You're going to be great. Just breathe and enjoy the scenery.
Alright, Tori and Michaela, I will see you guys in like 48 hours. Super proud of you guys. See you soon. We're gonna kill it.
Michaela, hey Tori, good luck on your run. I hope you guys do good, and I'll see you at Alfred when you get back.
Tori and Michaela, we are so proud of you.
And then I was thinking about it and I'm like, just have a blast.
You guys major in geology by chance? Because you rock. Go get it.
Awesome, and I love you both. Proud, we love you.
We love you and you're going to kill it.
Love you and just have such a great weekend.
We love you so much. Mwah.
Run faster than David. That's, I think, all we really care about. Bye.